The UN General Assembly will convene in New York on September 23, 2024, welcoming world leaders and diplomats from 193 countries represented at the UN for a week filled with speeches and minimal world relevance, a common outcome of these meetings. Prior to the meeting, UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres held his pet project Summit for the Future in an overstated fanfare. The Secretary General billed the summit as a once-in-a-generation opportunity to change human history by restarting international cooperation and embracing multilateralism. The pact included 56 actions, including multilateralism, upholding the UN Charter, peacekeeping, climate change, disarmament, regulating artificial intelligence, and reforms to both financial institutions and the UN Security Council.